Okay, well, happy Father's Day, everyone. I wanted to go ahead and share some of the thoughts for this upcoming week. I've been focusing a lot on the Elliot wave theory, and basically, what this means is that you would have um, five waves going up, two and four going down. In fact, let me just go ahead and do a quick search so I can show you guys what this would look like. Let's see if, here we go, images. How can I blow this up? Well, okay. So in an Elliott wave, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the odd numbers are going up. You got even numbers that are doing a little retracing. And then after you do 5, then you've got A that goes down, B goes up, C goes down. And then the pattern starts over again. So as you look at stocks, you'll see these patterns, and lots of investors will use these as knowing what true direction. So for an example, if you're in an upward movement, but you see that you're actually on wave 4, that stock might be going down, even though it's in an upward movement. And so it can be just a voice of caution to say, well, is it best to get into that stock now or wait until we get a confirmation that wave 5 has started, and then you could jump in? Through lots of research, wave 3 is actually one of the best waves to jump on. It's usually twice as big as wave 1 as jumping in. So I'm telling you this because I've used lots of this analysis in the stocks that I'm looking at for this next week. We're still doing this sell to open put positions, but I'm looking for stocks that have shown a confirmation that they are in wave 3. And focusing on that um, helps us in our probabilities of knowing that the stock is truly going up for this next week. And instead of, if we were to choose a stock that had just finished wave 3 and was going in down in wave 4, then our probabilities would not be as great. So just using that as a reference, let's go ahead and dig into some of these stocks. So one of the first stocks that we're looking at is Marvel. I'm going to go ahead and Marvel Technology. Again, if you go back a year, you will see the end of this wave 1, and then you've got the A, B, C, and so it's come up here, and you want it to pass this high as confirmation. So this high is where that confirmation has happened. So great, it's up here. It's being very bullish right now. It might come down a little bit, but again, even if it comes down and we get assigned the stock at the end of the week, we feel confident that we're in this wave, in this third wave that's going to continue to go up for the next month. So we feel good about that. So Marvel is a good pick right now. I'm having that confirmation above 52. I would say that's a ready to buy. Looking to get in, I'm probably looking, if I end up getting into that one, it will be right around a 54. Just right around 54. Just depends on where, obviously what type of movement it has in the beginning of Monday of where that would end up. Let's look at crowdsource. That's another one that looks good right now. Again, you've got the top of 5, and then you've got A, B, C, and then you've got the top 1, 2, and now it's heading up. So you want that confirmation right above there, which is. So you've got, it's above, it's staying above, it's being bullish. So again, kind of the same thing as before. What did I just do there? Is making sure that you get that confirmation. I would say staying above 227 is where crowdsource is at. And obviously right now it's way up there in the 240s. So getting in, I'm probably, if I end up joining that one, it will be right around 242.5 is a strike price that I'm looking at. Let's go to Cloudflare. And again, I don't know if I will be getting into all of these because it just depends on what I'm currently in, what I'm keeping right now, what I've been doing some covered call positions, so it just depends on that. Okay, with net again, came up, hit the 5, and then A, B, C, and then 1, 2, and then hit above this. Once again, this is the confirmation. It's hit above that, and it's just taken off. I like this. It's even busting through 100, so that would be a good one. I would be hesitant on this one if Monday morning, if there's a sharp downward right here, just because 100 can be a support area. So I'd be really interested to know what happens Monday morning before I jump in. I want it to stay above 100. In fact, I would say for net, 100 would be my strike price on that sell to open put. Okay. Next one I was looking at was PayPal. Again, all the way up here to 5, ABC, and then you've got 1, 2, and now you're starting this third wave, which was confirmed right there. So this one hasn't had much confirmation. So just once again, something to look at. I would want to make sure that this is positive before jumping into this one, making sure that confirmation is there and is strong. That would be, I would say, a strike price of 275 if I jump into that one. And then another one is a Zscaler, which is ZS. And again, you got your 5 and then your ABC. So you got your 1, 2, and then it's coming up. I like this. Look at that support right there, right on that 200 line. So you want it to go above 200, and look, it has. For several days, has just been climbing. So this one is confirming that it's on that third wave. And so just jumping in, I would say in order to get some good premium, putting us right at 215 on there on that strike price. And again, you can play around with the strike price on what you feel is best, but always staying close to being right at that really close to where the strike price is as when you join, when you enter. So those are some of the main plays there. A couple also breakouts that have happened I wanted to go over. One of them is Twilio. Now this is called a cup and handle breakout. So you've got this cup, right? And then you've got this handle, and you're waiting. This is the handle right here. You're waiting for it to break above where that cup is, which it did huge on Thursday. It broke up and then it continued to stay up on Friday. So this is a bullish sign as well, as it is also um, close to a confirmation with Twilio, really getting above this 380 to 400 range. Getting above that is that confirmation on the wave, on this starting this third wave going up. So I like this one. That might also be one that I jump in as well. I might even just jump into it early because I've got that confirmation sign, and looking just to get in even before that second confirmation, and maybe, just hoping. We'll see if it's very positive Monday, then I'd definitely say this thing is going to continue to go up. And then another breakout is AMD. And I can go ahead and draw this one. Let's go ahead and punch that in right there, right? So you've got this. Oh, let's hit that. Okay, so you see this, it broke out. You look at the volume, high volume, and it's continued to stay high the next day. So I would like to see this one continue to go up. This might be a good opportunity to jump in as well. In terms of the wave, confirmation needs to be above the 85, 87, right here. Once it's confirming above that, then this is looking like a good wave 3 entry as well. So this is another possibility, depending on what's happening Monday or Tuesday. And I like those because they're breakouts, plus they're also close to the confirmation of the third wave. So those are some ones to look at to make some choices. Again, all of these are right in the upper 2% premiums to the mid ones, 1.5 premiums. Great opportunities to look for. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, happy Father's Day. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.